December, and welcome to or back to my channel, and welcome to the first of my Christmas videos. And in today's video it's a DIY, a Christmas DIY. I thought I would show you how I made these fun trees. I made mine with real branches, but there's a lot of way you can do this, so just play around. It's super easy, and it does not require a lot of equipment. So all you need to make these trees are cement and something to make the foundation with. I used small boxes. I would not recommend that. I knew that I would going to kind of plant my trees in the planters, so it's okay. But if you're going to let the trees stand on their own, be careful and make a bigger foundation with a bucket instead. And then you need a stem. I just cut down branches or small trees and use those. And then you need something for the greenery. I made Norwegian pine. I've used in these, just cut from the trees. We have a lot of trees in Norway, and I was sure to just cut branches, a few branches of each tree, because they do not grow back. But you could use other greenery. You could use faux greenery. If you have an old Christmas tree, fake Christmas tree you're not going to use, or you were thinking of throwing away, this is a great idea to use to give the tree new life. So this is my Santa workshop for the evening. It's not a bad place to be. It's raining outside, only 2 degrees Celsius, so the horses have come in. And I'm working in the horses' shower. So the first thing I've done is that I have been out collecting small trees and cutting them up into what I think will be the length I need. I think they are too long, but better too long than too short. I'm going to use cement and put them in these small containers, hoping that will be enough cement. So what I'm doing now is that I'm screwing in 3 screws in the bottom of each stem to give some support when I put them into the cement. So that's how far I've come now. So after I had blended the cement with water to a fairly thick porridge, I put the stem inside and filled the cup up. I do not want any air bubbles in the cement, that's why you see me poking around inside of the cement with a spoon. After you're done with this, the stem will want some support. As you see, I can move it around in the cup. So find a way to give the stem some support. I decided how long I wanted the branches to be, and then I cut as many as I thought I would need for one tree. I used green thin metal flower metal thread to attach the greenery to the stem. So I started by securing the metal thread to the stem. I attached the greenery by winding the metal thread, and you want to wind pretty hard, but be careful so you don't snap the thread. I did that several times. So far I had the greenery facing downwards, but now making the top I'm turning it around, and now the branches are facing upwards, and I use a lot of metal thread to make the top flexible so you can make this fun, different and fun tops on the tree. The last thing I did was to take a red Christmas bubble and attach it with the green metal wire to the very end of the cute little fun Christmas tree. I have made 13 trees and put around my garden, and I also made 3 small ones. The pine was getting dry, so I have to remake them, but I have the foundation, and that's what's fun about this, because if you use real greenery and when it's done, you can just save the stem with the foundation and use them again. You can make these gnomes. I'm sure you've seen those on Pinterest. There's a lot of fun things you can do with it. Okay guys, I hope you liked this little tutorial and a look at what my outdoor project has been this year. I don't know how many Christmas videos I'm going to make this year. Our lives here are just crazy right now. But I'm going to film the house tour because my house is ready, so at least you're going to get that, and then I'll see if I'll get to film anymore. I know I promised you a Harry Potter DIY for Halloween. I have not forgotten. It turned out to be a bigger project, surprise surprise, than I thought it would be. So, and Harry Potter is, for, if you ask me, for all year, so I'll you'll get that after Christmas. Okay guys, I hope you'll try to make the trees. I hope your first week of December have been good, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!